Hi everyone. If you're trying to update Windows and are having the KB5085516 is not installing on Windows 11, then I'll show you how to fix this problem. So the first step is you want to write Windows Update in your search bar. Then you want to press check for updates here and then download and install over here. If that still doesn't work, then you want to go ahead and restart your PC. If that still doesn't work, then you want to pause your updates. You can select anything from over here and then pause it, and then again you want to resume updates over here. If that still doesn't fix your issue, then you want to write services in your search bar. Then you want to head over to app readiness over here. You want to right click it and make sure that we go over to properties. Make sure that you change the startup type to automatic and press start. Then you want to press apply and OK. Then you want to right click it and press restart. Then the next step is you want to head over to background intelligent transfer service. You want to right click it and do the same that we did with app readiness. You want to go over to properties. You want to go select automatic and then start the service. Then you want to press apply and OK, and then you want to right click it and restart the service. Then you want to scroll down. You want to head over to Windows Update right over here. You want to right click it and go to properties. You want to select it to automatic. You want to press apply and then OK, and then right click it and restart it. If that still doesn't fix your issue, then you want to write command prompt on your search bar. Make sure that you run it as administrator. Then the first command is you want to write sfc/scannow. You want to press enter. Then after this is done, you want to write dism space/online space/cleanup -image, then space/restore health. You want to press enter and wait for a few minutes till this is completed. I'll leave all of these commands in the description box below. Still that doesn't fix your issue, then you want to head over to settings. You want to type settings in your search bar. You want to go to system, then you want to head over to recovery, and then you want to tap this second option, fix problems using Windows Update. You want to press reinstall now. But still, if that doesn't fix your issue, then you want to open up your browser. You want to head over to the Windows 11 Media Creation tool. I'll leave this link down in the description box below. You want to download this Media Creation tool and you want to update your Windows via this tool. So guys, that should fix your issue and you should be able to update Windows. So guys, if this video was helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you with the next one.